feet at 3 feet. Wave detail, southeast 2 feet at 10 seconds. Tonight, south winds around 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail, south 2 feet. WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability may be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, but occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, Kent and Sussex, in New Jersey,
Cape May, in Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wico, and Worcester.
and on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey south to Chico Key, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.